Guys, oh my god. They literally tested again. Required monthly test again. I'm not kidding. Again, they literally tested again. And it's Saturday, too. Oh my gosh. I got it on WLBT. I'm trying to see if I can catch it again. But yeah, literally. They literally tested again. This didn't go off. Because it was off. So yeah. But we'll see if I can get him again. If not.
This is a test of the Mississippi Emergency Alert System. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring you important information. This test is now concluded.
Oh my gosh. I cannot believe they literally tested again. Like honestly, they did that yesterday. Oh my gosh, dude. I don't know what's up with JAN today, but they need to fix it. They need to fix it, dude. They need to fix it. Guys, we got several tests coming up later these days. We got the MSI FM, required monthly tests, and then we got the national EAS test, which is gonna come up on October 4th. Which I might have a plan, cause I might set up my camera and then monitor the TV and then monitor WLBT, which is right here. See, right here. But yep, hopefully it work out good and hopefully we can get this done.